Morning guys, what are you up to today? We're going to be hand forging a leaf out of some 3/8 square stock. And today's sponsored video is Workops. We'll get more into the video. Morning guys, today's sponsor is Workops. They sent us this little light to check out. I don't know if it's a steel or titanium or aluminum construction. Very, very solid. Like, it's got the two buttons on and off on this side, and the flood and the spotlight. There's two different modes here. Just hold the button, you turn it on. That's a very low intensity. You can switch for whatever you want. Many different intensities for this light, just on and off. And the great thing about this light is also right here. See a little green indicator light? It tells you the status of your battery. So green is fully charged, and then you have orange, which is like half charged, and it shows you on the light. And then you have red, which is like 0 to 20%. So that's super cool. It's got SOS mode. Many different colors if you want here. We'll just cycle through them real quick. See that? Awesome. We'll be using this on the channel a lot, so it'll be excellent for hunting. Anyways, let's get to some of the specs of this. I'll put on the glasses for this, guys. So according to the specs here, they give you all the little specs on the back. Spotlight, 1 lumen, 36 hours. 20 lumens, 7 hours, 40 minutes. 110 lumens, we get 2 hours, 10 minutes. 320 lumens, we get 1 hour, 20 minutes. And then turbo, which is 680 lumens for 1 hour and 10 minutes. And all, that's spotlight. And then floodlight's the same thing. They give you all the specs here. Very similar in time. Yeah, so we got, I think it's waterproof and everything, what I'm seeing here. It's 1.5 meter, I guess, smash resistance. SOS beam, type C charger on here. Fully charged is in about 1 hour and 20 minutes. They give you dimensions. It's small. It's a tiny little thing, but it's friggin' awesome. And max output, 680 lumens. The beam is 180 meters. Multiple color RGB light, and it's only 49 grams. And this thing is also magnetic. So if you're working somewhere and you want to stick it on, it's got a magnetic spot here. Right here, USB-C charger here. I've been testing it, trust me guys, and this is like, when we go hunting, we're gonna have this right on our pack. If you want something nice, lightweight to bring in your pack when you go hunting, you know, help you get out at night, this will be the thing for you. We'll see it on the channel here. Many different intensities. Pretty cool guys. I want to thank Workops for sending us this light. Really appreciate it. Check out this light. There's a flood mode. This thing packs a wallop. Like, look at that. This will light up your life. Intense little wee light. I don't even want to put it on the camera because it's so strong. There's 2 different modes. And also SOS mode. Got different colors. Pick whatever color you want. Depends on your application. And you have regular light. I'm telling you, this thing is like, look at the size of my hand. Look at the size of my hand. This is 360 lumens. Look at it. Spotlight mode, look at that. You're out hunting, you want a compact little light. I don't want to put it on the camera because it's too bright. This is the light for you. Let's go and have a closer look. You also have these very easy to instructions, easy to understand. 2 buttons, but they many different things. And there will be a link in the description and a discount code. I'll leave all that in the description.